Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I'm Faiza from UK working as an IT recruitment specialist at Minds. First of all, a very happy new year with best wishes and motivation to learn something which I will help you of course. So the reason I'm here is to spread my knowledge and teach you the whole process of starting an any recruitment business. It's my New Year resolution and motivation to teach and spread what I will learn to other people, honestly. The reason I'm here is that I just started my recruitment business by self learning. I was searching on internet, YouTube videos to get the idea of the business. And to be honest, I got a pretty good stuff and videos as well, which helped me to learn and align my things. But the problem is, there were a lot of questions which came into my mind, and I didn't get answer of any. There are thousands of recruitment companies over the globe. So how will you get the lead? How will you contact the exact person? Now AI is taking place everywhere. So how you will automate your system, and which tools you need to use for your recruitment business? And the most important, what are the hidden things you need to know? There are a lot of questions come into my mind when you start a business. But to get the exact answer, you need to pay. Yes, it's true. I contacted a couple of mentors after watching them on YouTube, and they are offering free consultation code on their tutorials or their videos on YouTube. I succeeded to book my free consultation call, but when the meeting time came, they asked to deposit the fee for first 6 month mentorship, and then the free consultation call will be proceeded. it's I mean it's funny, yeah. Then I get to know it's a way of marketing to sell their course online. Of course, it's a way that everyone doing their business. So I decided to take this business as an adventure and learn by my own. Even I'm a beginner as well, but we will learn together so that if you want to start a business, you can join me. I will share my whole journey from where I started and what I will do in coming days. It will be clear and easy to understand. Nothing will be paid. Honestly, it's free of cost learning, and you can ask anything if you are stuck. I'm not selling anything. I just need your support. Just like and subscribe. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, today we will just take an overview of recruitment agency, its requirement and roadmap to start the business. I will start from the beginner level. Even if you have zero experience in recruitment, you will become able to start by yourself. So the question is, why to start recruitment business? Simple is that it's easy to start, no previous experience required. You can start from anywhere. You can easily generate 5 figures. You can also start it as a part-time business. Yes, it's very easy. You just need a laptop and a good internet connection. So you can start it without any investment, without any previous experience, or you don't need any office place. You can start it from your home. And if it's come to a running business, if you get a lead, then of course you can generate 5 figures easily. It's not a big deal, but to get first lead is a difficult task. Otherwise, nothing is difficult. And you can of course get lead as well. You just need a little hard work as well. And of course you can start this as a part-time business as well. If you're doing a job, you don't need to give all your time. You just need to spend 2 hours every day and you will get enough to take a start. Even if you just follow my tutorial daily and apply everything side by side, what I will teach you, I will say you are good to go. And if you ask why I started this business, then I will say it's more convenient for being a mom of two. I can work from home and I can decide my working hours by myself as per my routine. So it's not easy if you're living in UK and doing nothing. So better to try for something without wasting your time. And the most important thing, first to understand what is recruitment agency. So simple is that recruitment agency work as a bridge between the employee and the employer. So let's take a simple example. A software company needs to hire a web developer but doesn't have time to screen hundreds of applicants. So it contacts a recruitment company, and the recruitment company advertise the job, review resume, interviews candidates, and then present the best candidate to the software company. And when one candidate is get hired, the recruitment company is paid a fee for its service. That's it. And yeah, so here are the important points you need to know to start a recruitment business. So these are the complete points if you want to professionally start your recruitment business. Because today we will just take an overview of these points. We will not go in detail. We will go in detail discussion of all these points in our next video, inshallah, because these points need more time to understand, and I will teach you all these tabs through practical as well. So the first one is choose a recruitment niche. So to start a business, the first and most important part is to choose your recruitment niche, your industry, in which industry you want to work. Like in there is IT industry, healthcare industry, construction, and many others. And which specific role you want to choose for the recruitment process, or for which you want to recruit on the behalf of the company. So it's up to you which industry you want to go with. Then decide recruitment model. So there are 3 types of recruitment model. We will shortly see here. It's a permanent, contract based, and temporary model. So some companies go with all 3, mostly companies go with only one. So it's again up to you. We will discuss all these models in detail in my next video, and which one is the best, we will also discuss that. And the next one is of course you need to register a company without which you can't start your business. So you need to register your company. I will also define the whole process to register the company, and you also need to open a business bank account from the transactions. And the next one is you also need some legal documents, of course, from the business, from the client side and from the candidate side as well. It's a term of business, candidate consent, and GDPR privacy policy. We also discuss these documents, and I will also provide you a draft of these documents, inshallah. The next one is set pricing, guarantees, and payment terms. Of course, you need to set your pricing and guarantees and your payment terms as well. So I will go in detail in my next video, and will tell you what are the pricing pricing measures and which guarantees you need to define, and which are the payment terms. So the next one is set up a basic website and a professional email. So you just even if you can start it without website, but if you have a website, it's a good to start a business and to for your good image. uh, you just need a simple website which define your services, your contact information, and also the jobs that you will list on your website. Okay, so and the next one is most important: create LinkedIn profile and company page. So the main source of getting lead and candidates is LinkedIn, so you should have a very good LinkedIn profile and a company page. I will teach you in detail how to set up your LinkedIn profile and a company page, and how we will search candidate on LinkedIn, and how we will reach out clients to sell our services. So this point need a whole video to discuss, I will say. And the last one is choose an ATS and CRM, and start client outreach and business development. So at the start, you don't need to buy any ATS and CRMs. You just need you can start by doing your work manually, and when you will get lead, then you can use any ATS and CRM. I will tell you which are one or the best, and how you can automate your recruitment business. Okay, and at the last, reality check. Yes, it's true. Many successful recruitment businesses start with one recruiter and laptop. As I told you before, you just need a laptop and a good internet connection, and of course, the recruiter will be you. And strong relationship. You need strong relationship with the people. You need good connections, references, of course. If you have, then this business is good for you. Without that, you can also start, but to have good relationship is very beneficial in this business. So relentless sales and activities. So it's mean you need to stay consistent. Keep going your daily work as per plan to get your lead. Don't stop and lose hope, that many people do, because consistency is key to success. I will provide you the link to the resources I will use, and I will provide you a free 90 days roadmap which you can easily follow for first 3 months to start your business, inshallah. So if you have any query, you can ask on the email. I will attach my email in the description, and you can contact me, or if you have any query, I will try to give my best. So thank you for watching. That's it for now. We'll see you in next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.